all about Christingles. Today we're going to learn about something special that people make at Christmas time. It's called a Christingle. It looks like an orange with a candle on top and sweets around it, but each part has a special meaning. Let's find out more together. What is a Christingle? A Christingle is made from an orange, a red ribbon, 4 sticks with sweets or dried fruit, and a lit candle on top. The word Christingle means Christ's light. Christians use Christingles to remind them that Jesus is the light of the world, especially during Advent. History of Christingles. Christingles began in 1747 in Germany, when a minister gave children a candle wrapped with a red ribbon to help them remember Jesus. Many years later, in 1968, Christingles started being used in churches in England. That first Christingle service raised money for the Children's Society, and lots of Christingle services will still support them today. What does each part mean? Here's what each part of the Christingle stands for. The orange, the world, the red ribbon, the love and sacrifice of Jesus, the candle, Jesus as the light of the world, the 4 sticks, the 4 seasons and the 4 compass points, north, south, east and west, the sweets or dried fruit, the good things that earth gives to us. Christingle services. Christingle services happen in many schools and churches during Advent. Sometimes the lights are turned off and the whole room glows with Christingle candles. It looks beautiful and reminds people of Jesus bringing light and hope to the world. These services help Christians remember the true meaning of Christmas and celebrate Jesus' birth. Now that you know what a Christingle is, why not watch our How to Make a Christingle video next? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Christmas videos.